Senator Mogeni, Eric.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I also rise to support the report that has been brought before the House by the Committee of Labor Relations. Mr. Speaker, for some of us who went to school when KCC was KCC, we remember that this cadre of workers in the 80s, I believe there could be someone working for KCC in the 80s. These are the workers who delivered school milk for primary school children during the Nyayo era, so to speak. Remember when a program was introduced by the late President Moi and school children were being given milk. These are the people who used to travel with trucks and deliver milk to school children. And we were all very happy. We used to look forward to going to school because we used to get that packet of milk. Yet, Mr. Speaker, I'm now a senator several years after, and we are discussing about people who retired, who have been waiting for their dues for the past 20 years. Honorable Senator Murugo, Chairman, chances are that some of these people will die before they ever enjoy the fruits of their labor. You know, some of the things we do in this country, Mr. Speaker, are inhuman, completely inhuman. Even if Jesus Christ was to come today, very few of us will go to heaven. Because how do you deny workers their rights? People who have served the country with distinction, Mr. Speaker. So if there is a time that we need to speak to the government of the day, the Uda administration, because the committee has made life easy for them. We have given them a through pass, so to speak, and recommended that pay these workers so that we also put a smile to their faces, Mr. Speaker. Even if it's me, after I serve my tenure in this house, all of us, once you retire, you want to go home with your dues, Mr. Speaker. I was cracking a joke the other day with Senator Malala, and I was telling him, I hope the UDA party has paid you your dues, because in the committee we are dealing with Kenyans who have been waiting for the last 20 years. Even Alwale, I don't know whether Alwale gets some dues after being removed from the position of whip. And I don't know why we're having an onslaught against sons of the Luya nation. I'm hearing now somebody wants to also go after Senator Sifuna, Mr. Speaker. I'm saying this with a light touch because, Mr. Speaker, anybody you dismiss from office, I'm saying this with a serious note because I'm from the Committee of Labor myself, Labor Relations. If you serve a party as SG and they relieve you of your services, let them pay you your dues. Even Senator Uruoba, who was fired by UDA, we expect her to get her dues. That is fairness. Because you have told her you don't want her to be a nominated senator. You have fired her. She has gone back wherever to take care of a young child. Pay her dues, Mr. Speaker. It's the same spirit this report is saying. Once people have served, they have left office, pay them the soonest, Mr. Speaker. If you go to countries like Australia, where they have what they call is it superannuation or something? You retire and you get your money. These are the Europeans you see in Mombasa, enjoying at the beach sort of Mombasa. So let's have the same standard being applied to Kenyan workers. I'm happy